Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, a heavy police presence was deployed at Stella Maris Prep School in St. Andrew today in response to a video circulating online threatening violence against school administrators and demanding $50 million.
In the meantime, the school's chairman is this evening seeking to allay fears among parents and staff.
Attendance at the Stella Maris Prep School was very low on Friday as parents kept their children at home after the disturbing video with a masked gunman issuing threats to administrators emerged on social media Thursday. When our news team visited the school on Friday, the police were on location. The officers maintained a presence for most of the day. TVJ News understands that the institution is working closely with investigators. Chairman Emile Lafayette spoke with our news center.
We are taking it very seriously. We're leaving no stone unturned. We're getting a lot of support from the police, and we have also had our own private security to beef up measures.
The police have indicated that the investigation is in its early stage. It's still not clear whether the video is authentic, but what's clear is that parents and staff at the institution are gripping with fear. Mr. Lafayette has sought to assure them that their safety and security remain a priority.
These measures will continue in the very near future until, we have reached some headway and gotten some assurance from the relevant security authorities, that the matter is under control. So for the next couple of weeks and whatever time it takes, there will be this high level of security whereby we're actively trying to ensure that both our staff and the students and the overall Stella Maris community is feeling safe.
In an advisory to parents, the school administration advised that the Constance Spring Police will maintain a presence at the school. This in addition to the increase in the number of security guards who will be present. Access will also be limited to persons known to the school. New drop-off and pick-up guidelines have also been implemented. In the meantime, regular classes will resume on Monday. The advisory further stated that the Victim Service Branch of the Justice Ministry will be present to provide counseling support for staff and students. Parents are again being called upon to remain calm and patient as the school continues to work with the security forces to bring a peaceful resolution to this matter.